In this video, we'll show you how to create a Google Map block so you can easily embed a map in the WordPress block editor using the Content Blocks Builder plugin. This block has been added to the CBB block library, so you can import and use it on your site with just a few clicks. After importing it to your site, you can edit the block to see how it was created. The most important parts of this block are its custom attributes and custom JavaScript. We also added some CSS to style the block in the editor, marking it as a placeholder for the map. Let's use this block on the site and customize it using its custom attributes. This block requires a Google Maps API key for the map to load correctly. Input your key. Add markers to the map. Add a custom marker icon. Add a custom map style. Add multiple markers. In the next part, we're going to recreate this map block from scratch using the Pro version of CBB. Create a new block. Input the block title. Input the block description. Input the block icon. Input the JavaScript code to load the map and handle its interactions. If you want to explore the JavaScript code, check out the full source code from the imported block. In this video, we'll just focus on how this block is created with CBB. Enable the Custom Attribute feature to define the block's custom attributes. Let's publish and test our new block. We need to set a height value for the canvas so the map can load correctly. Enable the responsive height feature to set a responsive height value for the canvas. Let's define more custom attributes to customize the map further. We've recreated the map block using only JavaScript and CSS. With CBB and a help from AI, you can create complex blocks without touching React or PHP. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.